Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back again with yet another video. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download or install Meetup app on your device. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Meetup is an app which allows you to pursue your interests with people who share them both online and in person. With that being said, let's get into our tutorial on how to download or install the app. In order to download or install the Meetup app, you'll have to first of all open your Play Store app. Once you open your Play Store app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the top, you'll be able to see a search bar. Tap on it. Once you tap on the search bar, here you'll have to type in Meetup app or Meetup. Once you do that, here as you can see, the Meetup app is located here. Tap on it. And after that, you'll be able to see an install button right here. You'll have to tap on the install button and wait for some time for your app to be downloaded. The time limit of your app to be downloaded highly depends on your Wi-Fi connection, so you'll have to be patient and wait for some time. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully downloaded your Meetup app on your device. You can check whether the app has been downloaded or not by going to your app screen. And here as you can see, it has been downloaded. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download Meetup app on your device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.